Hey guys, it's Greg Luther, and check out this lighting. This is pretty good. This is Greg Luther live from the coaching retreat, and I have right here 500 of our real estate agent members. How are we doing, guys? Look at that. So we have 500 real estate agents here from all over the United States. Over all 50 states are represented here. And even with everything that's going on in the world, we are here to make money. Everybody's learning a little bit about how to generate more business, how to not worry about leads anymore, just get people calling you. Lots of great information here at the coaching retreat. So wish you were here. If you're not here right now, you should be at our next event. Everybody here is learning lots of good information from really good speakers and Derek. There's Derek too. And we have some good speakers. But anyway, hopefully you're having a good time. We are certainly having a good time here. Say hi, guys. And we want to see you at the next coaching retreat. Go out and make some money. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.